I took out 80% of my partials at 1:11, right above this high, and left the rest till this high. Welcome back to another episode. Today I'm going to break down a trade I took on 6th of November. I'm assuming most of you guys have a basic understanding of smart money concepts or liquidity inducement theorem or whatever fancy name you call it. So I'm going to give you a brief explanation of this trade. So as you all know, this is the Asian session, this is the London Open, and this is the New York Open. So we have a huge Asian session and the price took out the low of the last month during the New York Open. But we still have a 1 hour imbalance fill. So price first fakes out the PUS to the upside, comes down, takes out the early buyers, taps into the 1 hour imbalance fill and flies away. This is a bit advanced entry, so I do not recommend this if you're starting out. I took out 80% of my partials at 1:11, right above this high, and left the rest till this high. There were more entries while going up. That's it for this video. If you want to see my everyday entries, follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description.